Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make potato leek soup. It's a very delicious and very quick and easy recipe. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe I have already peeled potato. I already peeled, and I have a leek here, roots of leek, and also celery stick. I'm using some celery sticks also. So I'm gonna cut the potato first. Just dice it up. So now I'm gonna cut the leeks. It's cut into half, and I already washed it, but double check. It's always have some muds in between the leaves, so make sure it's all clean. So I'm gonna slice that also. So I'm making soup enough for 6 to 8 people. So now I'm cutting my celery, the small dice also. Our ingredients are ready, so we're gonna start making our soup. So I'm gonna add some little bit of olive oil and also a little bit of butter. Then I'm gonna add our leek. We're gonna cook until it's soft. I'm gonna add our celery also, chopped celery. It's gonna be very delicious soup, especially for the fall. This is special soup for the fall season. So our leek and celery soft enough. I'm going to add potato to it. We're going to stir a little bit. Add seasoning, salt. Black pepper, good amount of black pepper. I always like black pepper in my food. And also a little bit of crushed chili, just a touch of that to give a little kick to the soup. You can adjust the seasoning after you're done. If it's salt less or any spices you want to add. Now I'm going to add chicken stock. You can use water or chicken stock. So I already made chicken stock this morning. It's nice and strong. I'm going to put the video of our chicken stock in the description. Please check it out. So it's about a jug of chicken stock, 2 liter. About, yeah, almost 2 liter. and we're gonna let it cook until everything cooked nicely. So our soup is almost ready, everything nicely cooked. So I'm gonna take out a little bit of leek and potato for the garnish on the top of the soup. And now I'm gonna blend it. So we're gonna blend with the hand blender. So now we're gonna blend our soup. We're gonna blend it until nice and smooth. So our soup is nice and smooth. So we're gonna do some presentation of the soup. You can see this, guys. Looks nice and smooth. So we're gonna sprinkle some parsley for the color. Amazing, nice and smooth, silky texture. So you're looking for this kind of texture, silky. We're gonna pour in our soup bowl. Add some potato, which is we took it out earlier, just for give a little garnish, and also some croutons, just regular crouton, and a little bit of chopped parsley. Voila. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It came out very nice, look amazing, and it's very especially fall season. Try this recipe. It's very healthy and very full of energy. Also, please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like our videos, consider subscribe our channel, and I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.